saw the numbers, and now you know how common it is for people to make errors while typing text messages or emails, especially if you're using your phone. And for people who are extremely particular about always sending out messages and emails that are error-free in terms of grammar, punctuation, spelling, and if you're one of them who always wants whatever he or she sends out to be error-free, then this particular application that I'm going to talk about is going to be extremely helpful. Okay, so this is one particular app that I have on my phone and I have been using it for quite some time now, and I'm talking about the Grammarly keyboard application. So this Grammarly keyboard app can be installed on your phone. You need to go to your keyboard settings and turn this one as the default keyboard, and then on the next moment you start typing anything, this application gets straight to work. So you wouldn't need to worry about having to read the same message again and again to identify errors and correct them. So it saves a lot of time, effort and energy, because what you are doing is just typing the message and the Grammarly keyboard is auto-suggesting, auto-correcting, enhancing your vocabulary, and you're all set to send out a message that is error-free in every respect. Okay, so what I'll do today is take you to my phone where I have this application, show you some of its features and how it's supposed to be used and how effective and helpful it can be for you. But before I head to my phone, I would like to remind you all to hit on the subscribe button if you haven't done that already, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon. So now let's get started and let me show you how this app works. Now we are at our Play Store and we are trying to install the Grammarly keyboard application. So once the installation is done, we shall be ready to use it right away. Use the link in the description box to download this application onto your phone. So as you see, the installation is complete, and now we shall open the application and let's go through its interface. So this is how the home screen looks, and this shall take you to the Get Started page, and here you need to create an account or log in if you have an existing account. So either you create a new account or log in using your existing user ID and password. This is the page that you reach once you have logged in, and you need to customize the Grammarly keyboard according to your convenience at this point. Make use of the settings and set it up how you want it to be. So we have enabled the Grammarly keyboard at this point, and going forward your keyboard is changed to the Grammarly keyboard, and whatever you enter and type will be looked after by Grammarly and auto-corrected. You also get the settings of key borders and number row, so depending upon your convenience and how you want it to look, you can set this up. So this is the final keyboard customization page, and you can come back to this later and also make changes if you're not sure about something or you're not happy with something. Now let's have a look at some examples and let's see how Grammarly gets to work and how it helps you enhance your vocabulary and correct all that you type and enter. To give you an example of how the Grammarly keyboard works, let's compose an email and there would be some errors that I would insert, and let's see if Grammarly picks them up. So you can see as we are typing, there are certain inconsistencies and errors inserted. So there is a Grammarly button right below, or you can say just above the keyboard on your left hand side, and that is what is suggesting you the corrections. So you can click on them and make the corrections right away, and you wouldn't need to worry about where you're going wrong. Let us see a few more examples, and which are short sentences, but Grammarly picks up the errors in them very well. So you can note that the moment we typed ITS instead of IT with the apostrophe S, Grammarly identifies it and we can immediately correct it. So we are looking at more such examples, and you see the word apologize was corrected and also the word errors. Next, someone and anyone, these are one words, so Grammarly has detected that. Next, I have seen a lot of such series. Seen, the spelling is incorrect, which Grammarly corrected. And then finally, the subject verb agreement has been corrected. So here we are seeing how Grammarly identifies punctuation errors. You see the
Semicolon has been incorrectly inserted, and also there is no space before but. So Grammarly has identified and corrected this error.
So now you know how effective the Grammarly keyboard app is. It corrected the errors that are inserted in those sentences to perfection. Okay, it identified the punctuation errors, the spelling errors, it also suggested synonyms. So it's a one-in-all app, and you must have it on your phone. There's nothing wrong in trying. Please do give it a try. Install this application, make it your default keyboard, and go ahead using it. So don't forget to check out the description box. You'll find the link how you can download this particular application onto your phone. So go there, download it, and start using it. I'm sure you'll love it. Okay, so this was about it for today's video. Do not forget to comment your opinions, and also don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. So I shall see you all again very soon. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Thank you again, and bye-bye.